In this video, we're going to talk about configuring LCServer for Chromebook processing. So step one in Chromebook processing is to go to the configure menu and select operation mode and pick Chromebook server. Once you've done that, it's going to automatically use whatever settings you have in the Chromebook tab. It will also stop and prevent any DHCP or TFTP servers from running in Pixie mode. Now, once you've done that, you're going to want to come in here, figure out what your IP address is that's connected to the Wi-Fi router that will be processing Chromebooks, and put that IP address in here. You're also going to want to pick the Pixie profile that contains the settings you want for Chromebook processing. You'll want to determine whether or not you want Chromebook OS updating turned on before testing or after, or off. And then you're going to want to select your tests and configure those. So the automated testing obviously will kick off in an automated fashion. Battery test will consist of battery health and also battery drain. Battery drain testing, you give it the amount of time you'd like in seconds and the maximum drain percentage you're allowing. CPU testing, simply specify how long in seconds you would like CPU testing to run. 5 different tests will be run at different times on the CPU during that time frame. So in this case, it would be 12 seconds per, times 5 would be 60. Storage testing, all you have to do is check it, turn it on, and that will automatically kick off whatever storage tests are supported by the system that you're currently running. They're not all the same. More often than not, the read test will be supported, but not necessarily all other tests like smart and so on. Sensor test, this will test things like Bluetooth, any kind of accelerometers you might have, light sensors, motion sensors. Bluetooth testing will obviously test the Bluetooth connection, and memory testing will test whatever percentage of memory you have selected. So in this case, it's 1%. If I wanted the entire memory available to me tested, I would put in 100. Now, once the automated testing is completed, depending on the operating system you currently have, you will have the option for testing all of these different web-based tests. Now, the newest version of Chrome OS requires you to run the automated test first, followed by exiting that shell and running the manual tests. This is an unfortunate byproduct of Chrome, has nothing to do with us. All previous versions of Chrome run everything in an automated fashion and prompt you for the URL to go to web-based testing. So here you can turn on keyboard testing, self-explanatory, microphone testing, speaker testing, webcam testing, display testing, which would include screen and touch screen, cosmetic grading. So obviously whatever you've put inside of your Pixie profile, reference the cosmetic grading video we did earlier. Whichever you've assigned to that profile will get run. Then verifying system information, so that just prompts you for any information you might want to override, like a bogus manufacturer model that some Chromebooks might have, and then any user fields or custom fields that you've created, which again reference the creating custom input fields video in this section as well. Now, part of the battery testing also allows you to prompt unplugging the cable if it detects it's connected. You can also reboot when complete or fail if enrolled. Now, the last thing you'll want to note is that here you can also, when you select a Chromebook, view its device logs or the reports that were generated, again, based on the Pixie profile that you selected. Hope this video helps. Once you're done with everything, I should say, hit update. That's the only way this works. And to start the server, if it's not started, hit the play button. Obviously, hitting the stop button will stop the server, and hitting the refresh button will clear out all the devices in the list that are not running. Hope you enjoyed the video. Look out for more videos. Thank you.